All right, welcome back, everybody. This is C. I have a package here to unbox. Just came in the mail. I got this on eBay. Picked this up, and the description for this said that it had only been tried on. Supposedly not even worn. Everything's here, boxed. So they're technically not dead stock because they've been tried on, but according to the seller, they haven't even been worn. So just to try it on factor effect, I like to see double boxing there. It's good for protection. This is an old school Club C box. It has some creasing in it, but like I said, it's an older one and not a huge deal. Oh, that's kind of weird how that's the flap in there. Okay. Anyway, this is an 11.5. Club C 85MU. This is a unisex model. We're going to talk more about that in depth. FU7813. This is a yellow or Volt color, fluorescent yellow color. So, first I want to just ask you guys, because I had searched, a year ago and did research, because I've seen this on many colorways where it says MU. I can't find any information what that stands for at all. So if you do know, have an idea, drop something in the comments. That'd be wonderful. All right, so the shoe that I picked up here, Club C 85MU Volt colorway. As you can see, this one is definitely going to catch some attention, but it's also definitely looking like it has been worn, not just tried on. Maybe. No heel drag, doesn't look like. This is what worries me here, is this iridescent kind of, it's coming through. It almost looks more like a factory defect. Anyway, so I picked this up, got it for real cheap, and that's why I grabbed it, not knowing anything, and then I realized later that it's the brand Trace Rash, something like that, but it's a fashion company started by Mad Bad Ting, and she's a DJ, designer, entrepreneur. And I found this quote and I love it. Wear whatever the beep you want. And so that is one of the big things, slogans or themes with this company. Mad Bad Ting, I believe, is from America, but the company is now based in France, I believe. So what their whole goal and what they are after, I'm not pronouncing it correctly, Trace, Rash, whatever, is unisex, non-binary branding. So, genderless. That means it doesn't, not man, not woman, it's just works both genders, and, so it's unisex branding. And they're also very planet conscious. They started their company in 2016. And, I couldn't find any information about this collab, this release. I know they did a Club C in 2020 and then a Club C Legacy, I believe, in 2021, but I can't find specific information. But, it has the dual branding. There it says Rash. Can't see it because it's yellow on yellow. Special down there. So then we have here's some more branding. Trace. So let's look at this other one. Yeah, let's say Rash, however you pronounce it, right? So again, this one on the insole, Trace, Rash. Other than that, they are looking pretty, similar, almost the same, a little bit different. Don't see any wear marks. All right, well, I just got this. I wanted to get this out there. show you guys. The leather looks pretty darn good. If you have any more information about this collab, I'd love to have it just for, my information. And, I'm trying to centralize unhyped sneakerhead news information starting, and I'm doing a lot with the Club C, as you guys know. So anyway, appreciate it if you would subscribe, follow, like, comment, all of that good stuff. And yeah, I need some help with this one. Oh, just noticed the laces. You see that? They look pretty cool. Looks like they have some branding. Yep, dual branding, it looks like, on both of the, or on the laces also. I'm trying to get that up there. So all in all, nice pair of sneakers. Like I said, I got them for, 60-70% off of what I should have got them, so I took a chance at them. He said never worn, and we tried on. I agree, for the most part. I don't know, this throws me off. Shoelaces are a little dingy, but we'll see. Still a nice sneaker. So anyway, I'll be back with you soon. Everybody have a great day. C is out.